Mark your calendars, Apple fans. The countdown has begun. If the latest whispers from inside German mobile carriers are right, the iPhone 17 series will make its grand debut on Tuesday, September 9th, 2025. This date lines up perfectly with Apple's long-standing launch playbook. Early September, never a Friday, and avoiding September 11th out of respect for history. And yes, this isn't just a random guess. Multiple insiders are pointing to September 9th as the day Tim Cook takes the stage and shows us what's next for the iPhone. Here's how the rollout is shaping up. September 9th, announcement day. September 12th, pre-orders open. September 19th, the day you can walk into an Apple store or open your front door to find that shiny new iPhone waiting for you. But the real buzz this year? The lineup. The iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max are almost certain. But the familiar Plus model? Looks like it's saying goodbye. Rumor has it, Apple's replacing it with something new, the iPhone 17 Air. Thinner, lighter, sleeker. A device for those who want Apple elegance without going full-blown Pro. Here's where it gets even more intriguing. This could be the last year Apple unveils every iPhone model together. Reports suggest that from 2026 onward, we might see 2 iPhone launches per year. Imagine this, Pro models and possibly an iPhone Fold in September, with the standard iPhones and Air Edition dropping in the spring. That means 2 waves of Apple hype, twice the excitement, and a faster refresh cycle. And it's not just the iPhone taking the spotlight this September. Alongside the new phones, we're expecting the Apple Watch Series 11 to join the show. If Apple sticks to its pattern, pre-orders for the watch will open the same week as the iPhones. So, whether you're eyeing the Pro Max Beast, the ultra-portable Air, or the latest Apple Watch, September 2025 is shaping up to be massive. But here's the thing. If you want your new device on day one, you'll need to move fast. Apple's hottest gadgets have a habit of selling out within hours. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.